Moving on now, and there are growing fears of a fourth coronavirus wave in South Korea. More than 1,200 new infections have been recorded, and that is the highest in around 7 months. The Delta variant has been spreading fast in Seoul, especially among young people. Lim Yun-suk with this report.
Officials in Seoul and the surrounding cities have decided to extend movement restrictions for at least another week because of this recent spike, and they could even push restrictions back to the highest level if the numbers don't come down in the coming days. Health officials voiced concerns about the recent spike.
수도권을 중심으로 환자 발생이 2배 가까이 급격하게 증가하고 있습니다. 특히 수도권의 환자는 990명으로 서울은 577명으로 코로나 유행 이후 가장 많은 환자 숫자입니다. 수도권의 환자는 국내 발생 환자의 85%로서 대부분을 차지하고 있습니다.
And by age group, the virus is spreading among people in their 20s and 30s who are socially active and most of whom have not yet received a vaccine shot. To cope with this increase, the health ministry says it will expand testing of people in that group by setting up more makeshift testing centers at areas frequently visited by the young people. The government has urged these group of people to also get testing even if they don't have the symptoms. The government has also issued warnings to businesses saying that if they violate the current social distancing rules, such as not allowing more than 4 people to gather or operating only until 10 p.m., the business owners would immediately be subject to a 10-day business suspension. Experts say the government needs to do more to have more people vaccinated as soon as possible, especially among the young group. Currently, only about 10% of the country's population of 52 million people are fully vaccinated, while about 30% have had at least one shot. Meanwhile, South Korea has received about 700,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine from Israel under a swap arrangement. And Vice Health Minister Kang Do-tae said this could help prevent the spread of the virus.
최근에 수도권의 코로나 확산세와 여름 휴가철을 앞둔 상황을 고려할 때 이스라엘의 백신을 활용하여 접종 속도를 높이는 것이 방역 상황에 도움이 될 것입니다.
And Koreans are hoping he is right, because if it is not brought under control in the next few days, Koreans will be facing the strictest of social distancing measures. Lim Yun-suk, CNA, Seoul.